Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I wanted to make a video on, we're going to talk about two different points. The last one a little less relevant, but still a great point to bring up. But the main point I want to bring up in this video is about Santander using xRapid. So let me start off by giving you the facts. So an article came out recently stating that Santander, we also confirmed this on Santander's website, says the exact same thing, that Santander's OnePay FX app, which is powered by xCurrent, will be brought to worldwide use in the next coming months, meaning it can operate in all countries. So they're bringing that out in the next couple of months. Also, xRapid is being brought to the market and as an official product that is live and ready for production use. Confirmed by Ashish Birla, xRapid is coming into the market in the next couple of months as well. Also, which I don't find coincidence, is that Santander also stated that before summer, they are going to end up adding a new feature for instant transfers. All the three things I just stated all ties into one fact, in my opinion, that explicitly states that they are going to want to use xRapid. They're doing the global usage, or the global app in all countries, and xRapid is coming into the market at around the same time. And they're stating they want to add new features to create instant international payment transfers, making them the fastest option for international transfers. I mean, it essentially is xRapid, and if you're kind of doubting it, the only problem is that you are not going to get instant international transfers with pre-funded accounts. So really the only other option I'm seeing Santander do here is using XRP. And the 18th largest bank in the world using XRP, guys, that's crazy. That is the first big domino to fall. And with all the statements they've made, they've essentially confirmed in a sense that they are going to be using XRP, and xRapid specifically. Also, if you guys remember from the Ask Me Anything with Corey Johnson and Brad Garlinghouse, they ended up editing the video because Corey Johnson slipped up and said that Santander is using both xCurrent and xRapid, and they ended up editing the video, cutting that out and bringing out a new one. But the first one that was live streamed, I live streamed it where Corey Johnson did state that xRapid is being used by Santander, or being tested by Santander currently. So I mean, the fact that they're bringing out a global application at the same time xRapid is coming into the market, and they want to add a feature for instant transfers, this is pretty much just screaming that they are going to be using xRapid and XRP. I'm telling you guys again, no company is going to get instant transfers. Santander stated they wanted to add instant transfers cross-border. You are not going to get instant transfers by using pre-funded accounts. So this really only means that they are essentially going to use XRP this summer, which is very exciting. I mean, it's not 100% confirmed, but with my opinion and everything I know, to me personally, it's confirmed that they are going to use xRapid. Everything I just stated, it's just pointing towards using XRP. It just makes too much sense. And they actually have been working with Ripple since 2015, so they've been a long time client of Ripple. So essentially, yeah, Santander is using xRapid this summer, in my opinion. But also, I wanted to state the fact, perfect time for the air conditioning to come on. But I also wanted to state that SBI Virtual Currencies is actually going down for maintenance for a week. They have scheduled maintenance set for exactly a week. And usually for maintenance on websites, if they're just fixing a bug or correcting something on the website, usually the maintenance is only for about a couple hours or so. But the fact that SBI Virtual Currencies is scheduling maintenance for an entire week, SBI Virtual Currencies might be coming live soon as we are starting to roll into the summer. Again, SBI Virtual Currencies would bring tons of volume and liquidity to XRP because they are exclusively listing XRP for individual and institutional investors. Also, guys, last thing I want to say, not to mention, I don't want to bring up Coinbase speculation and hype again, but I'm just going to throw this out there so you guys know. I'm not saying XRP is going to get listed on Coinbase. I really don't think it's going to happen. But tomorrow, Coinbase has maintenance scheduled on their website, and Bitcoin Cash was added after a maintenance was done on their website. So we have a sliver of chance of XRP being out on Coinbase. But guys, for sure, I really think Santander is going to be using xRapid this summer, and I think we will see a lot of businesses using xRapid, using our currency that we're invested in by the end of the year, because Miguel Villas also did state XRP would be in bank flows by the end of the year. So xRapid is moving into production, guys. More and more companies are going to keep trialing it, and more companies are going to push it into production. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Check the links in the description if you want to get yourself some crypto merchandise or pick up a Nano S. Thank you guys for watching this video. Sorry about the air conditioner, and I'll see you in the next one.